Hey, you are watching North Central Oklahoma Weather and Food. This is Charles. Strong winds develop pretty much a dust storm in western Oklahoma, Texas. That's a dust storm here in the Panhandle, Oklahoma, and Texas. This is the snow and stuff to the
north and east.
This is why we had the wind. We have a strong upper level jet. This is why we have the wind. Our wind makers right here. This is pretty much the video that I made of outside. The wind system blowing. Pretty strong winds here in Stillwater area. Yeah, it was pretty gusty that time. It was a rainy day. We can go ahead and go back to the maps. Here's the wind of Oklahoma City. Across the Oklahoma City area. If you get in the red and oranges, it's stronger wind. Yellow, red, and orange. We had a first time dust storm warning that I know of. I never heard of anything in the past till now. Here's the winds again on the map. If you like this video, don't forget to click and subscribe, click the notification bells, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. This is Charles signing off. See you next time.